What is up, YouTube? I'm again here with the same clothes. I'm waiting for the last three videos. I'm gonna do another video on the same clothes because it's not embarrassing for me because I do not care what you guys think. Because I am the one who makes you guys think. I am the fucking marketer. Let's not get sidetracked. Today, got this book called $100 million offers. I'm gonna teach you how to make an offer so good people would feel downright stupid saying no. This book is written by Alex Hormozi. I love that guy. And I'm going to teach you how to do that. I've got my notes right here. I made notes for you guys. This is how much I care. There are a couple of tips I'm going to give you. Just tip one, identify the real problem your audience wants solved. People do not buy features, they buy solutions. For example, if you're setting a weight loss program, they are not buying a weight loss program. Do not make this mistake. They're buying solution. They're buying looking confident. They're buying energy. They're buying looking good in their clothes. They're not buying a fucking weight loss program. Think about what your audience want, because the more clearer you are on their pain points, more irresistible your offer becomes. Tip two: stack the value, not the features. Here's the truth: people are never gonna buy you for your features. They're gonna buy you for the value you provide. If they think you're gonna provide so much value, you're gonna then you're charging for, you're gonna buy the thing. Feature is just preference. Every objection you're gonna see of features is gonna be a preference problem, and that shit is easy to deal with. Mm. So where we are, stack the value, not the features. If you're selling a coaching program, don't just sit there. List of the sessions, PDF, video. Do not do that. What do what you need to do is show the transformation your audience will get when they go through your program. Step 3, use scarcity and urgency, the ethical way. People procrastinate. It's human nature. Even the best offer will sit on their to-do list forever. Let me tell you how to fix it. Mm. Here's what you can do. Offer a limited number of spots. That is how you create scarcity. Set a real-time deadline for urgency. Set Give seasonal offer with a deadline for both. The goal isn't to pressure them; it is to motivate them for the opportunity slips away. Step 4: guarantee risk or guarantee result or remove risk. What's the number one fear stopping people from buying? It's the risk. It's the fear they are having. It's the fear that they're going to lose their money. It's the fear that they're going to lose their time for nothing. So eliminate that fear. Offer a guarantee that makes them feel safe. Think like full refund, uh, result based, risk free offer. And that's it. That is it. I think we're done for today. So here's your game plan: solve a deep, urgent problem, stack undeniable value, create authentic scarcity, remove risk. This is the major one. And price for the outcome. Do not ever price based on how much is you are getting paid or how big your margins are. Always price the value. How much are they gonna make based on that? If they're gonna make 10,000, it's very easy to charge 1,000 or even 2,000. That's why you always price on the value than the margins. And that is it. Go make some fucking money. Buy your own copy of the book. It's an absolutely phenomenal book. And as always, go make some fucking money and subscribe to this channel so I can rant a little more.